Assalamualaikum friends, here is 1200 banners template specially for Photoshop user, and these are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, buy now in $2.99 for lifetime all password in this app. Okay, and total size of this bag 6.43 GB, but don't worry, I will compare it for you in some parts. So okay, here is 50 Instagram and Facebook banner. You see all files are premium. Here is a back to school party flare, so you can edit everything. Here is banner 1. One file have I think 10 banner with different format. Here is Bitcoin banners, so you can apply or write anything. Blog, Pinterest, so just simply you can apply a background, for example. So we need a portrait photo. Open girls, we need a portrait. Just drag here. Okay, here is you can change color, crop image. Okay, now multi-purpose outdoor banner signs. Wow, you can play. And here is mobile tips, Facebook banner, cover banner, PSD. Wow. Next is fashion ad banner with different size, so you can write anything. Here is travel ad banner 2. Okay, and Instagram volume 3, so you can apply. You see here 1 2 3, you can edit every banner. Fitness ad. Okay, here is furniture Black Friday sale. Here is fitness banner, back to Facebook banner. Here is 10 banner main files here, so just import your image and write anything. Pizza banner, product app banner. For example, you need a PNG file and write anything. Change color or apply grand and overlay. Here is a furniture, real estate web banner. Here is 10 different banner, sorry 20 different, so you can import in open Photoshop and edit with different size. I hope these are useful for you. Download this app for a password, subscribe my channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz.